Happy holidays. My name is Mike Toole, and I've had the privilege of serving as the Dean of UToledo's College of Engineering for the last 6 years. This is my favorite time of year because as we wrap another 12 months of successes and challenges, I get to share with you some of what we've been working on. As you can see, the most exciting news is surrounding me. On December 14th, we'll celebrate the grand opening of the newly renovated North Engineering Building with an official ribbon cutting and open house. As you may know, the College of Engineering currently resides in the space once occupied by Owens, Illinois for research and development. The two-story unfinished high bay in North Engineering once served as a pilot production facility for innovations in glass manufacturing. The entire space has now been recreated into new classrooms, bioengineering laboratories, and student spaces that give us the newest engineering facility in Ohio. We'll be open for classes in January 24 and then begin demolishing the aging Palmer Hall to make way for a beautiful new quad, welcoming all to the engineering campus. Some of you may have heard that the first half of our fall semester was focused on our once every 6 years ABET accreditation visit. ABET accreditation is the gold standard that assures our undergraduate programs have continuous improvement processes for preparing our graduates to enter a global job market. This vital process requires a Herculean effort from the faculty and staff, and I'm happy to report that we have every expectation the final report we'll receive from ABET in July will confirm that our ABET review was highly successful and all programs will continue to be accredited for the next 6 years. Student success, opportunity, and engagement are pillars of our college, and a recent major gift by Vince and Sandra DePaffi and our corporate partner SSOE are helping us to continue to make strides towards a more diverse pool of engineers by supporting personnel and programming. The SSSOE DePaffi Family Office of Student Success Opportunity Engagement, located on the first floor of Nitschke Hall, helps us to ensure that every student has access to the support, resources, and tools needed for academic and career success. The ribbon cutting for this space, held on October 20th, builds upon a 7-decade relationship between SSOE and UToledo's College of Engineering. In addition, SSOE has provided some much-needed updates to the SSOE seminar room in Nitschke Hall. We love the fact that the updates include a wall honoring the long-term employees of SSOE who are also rocket engineers and have continued their relationship with UToledo in a variety of ways. We continue our strong program of community engagement and outreach initiatives and have recently finalized our Early Learning in Technology and Engineering Elite program with Toledo Technology Academy, which will allow any qualified junior enrolled at the TTA the ability to matriculate to the College of Engineering as a full-time College Credit Plus student, effectively expediting their time to degree by 1 full academic year. On top of this, we're working with Toledo Early College to build a bridge to engineering while maintaining their own rigid requirements to further expand our College Credit Plus footprint. Additionally, we have launched our Engineer for a Day program after a 2-year COVID pause and expanded our Introduce a Girl to Engineering programs to over 800 visitors from the region this year. We've also expanded our off-site outreach programming. This past year, 8 faculty members from the College of Engineering and 28 students from 4 student organizations visited 21 area schools. They spoke to over 1,100 students in their classrooms about what the College of Engineering can offer them. We were thrilled to welcome our students back once again to campus this fall at our annual welcome breakfast. The students enjoyed a morning of Holy Toledo donuts, prizes, games, music, a visit from Rocky, and Rocket Engineer t-shirts all around to launch our academic year. The freshmen then wore their t-shirts to the new student convocation in Savage Arena. Our integrated co-op program, one of only 8 in the nation, continues to roll on. The Fall Career Expo in September 2023 hosted over 200 employers and 767 students, of which 40% held the same day interviews with our students. In the same realm, our college is one of 53 universities in the nation that are part of the KEEN program. This program focuses on entrepreneurial-minded learning and creating value in the workplace. The college received a nearly $300,000 grant from KEEN to infuse entrepreneurial-minded learning into our integrated co-op programs. A fitting example of our entrepreneurial-minded learning is one of our bioengineering freshman design teams who recently redesigned a colostomy bag. The Santa Bag was created and developed as the team's freshman design project in the bioengineering department's freshman design and innovation classes, taught by Dr. Ada Yildirim Ayan, an associate professor and undergraduate program director in the Department of Bioengineering. The Santa Bag team, competing against 100 other teams from more than 50 universities nationwide, and the only freshman team, was among 5 teams awarded an honorable mention, a prize that included national recognition for their innovation, a $1,000 prize, and an invitation for the team to attend the Biomedical Engineering Society Conference. I'd be remiss if I didn't mention our number 23 ranked Rocket football team heading for a MAC championship game as I film this. We're proud to say that 15 members of this winning team, which is 8-0 in the MAC, are Rocket engineers. UToledo's College of Engineering is one of very few D1 schools that allow engineering students to be student athletes, and we have representation in every sport on campus. I had the pleasure of accompanying the Roy and Marcia Arms Engineering Leadership Institute, ELI, students this summer on an educational journey to Europe to learn about the operations and sustainable practices of a variety of European businesses. The 21 students toured industries, visited United Nations International Atomic Energy Agency in Vienna, took an infrastructure and environmental tour of Venice, and had time to enjoy the cultural aspects of Austria, Slovenia, and Italy. Our talented faculty are also impacting our world with entrepreneurial and groundbreaking research to accelerate the transition of discoveries from the laboratory to the marketplace for the benefit of society. Our research has been robust, so I'll give you just 2 recent examples that represent a broad range of new awards and continuing work in the college. Dr. Mason Hagshanas, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering, received funding from both the Air Force Office of Scientific Research for projects studying environmental dependent ultra-long life fatigue of defense critical materials and the Office of Naval Research for predicting early damage evolution of wire arc additive manufactured nickel aluminum bronze alloys. Dr. Youngwoo Seo, Professor of Civil Engineering, received $200,000 in funding from the Ohio Water Development Authority to enhance the performance of water treatment processes for removing contaminants from drinking water. He's also the principal investigator on a continuing collaborative project with Dr. Daewoo Kang and Yakov Lipinski to develop methods for early detection of harmful algal blooms in Ohio inland source waters. As 2023 comes to an end, all of us at the UToledo College of Engineering wish you and your family a healthy and peaceful holiday season. Whatever your holiday traditions, we hope the coming weeks are full of family and friends, good food and good cheer. May 2024 be a great year for you and for the University of Toledo. Go Rockets!